Greetings from Russia. If you are a regular viewer of my channel, you may know that almost all of my videos about foreign countries and its citizens have a very simple and logical structure. As a rule, I talk about persons who like another country, who dislike it, and who don't care about given country. But today, this strict rule doesn't work because we're talking about Bulgaria. And I don't know Russians who don't like this country. Why? Firstly, Russia and Bulgaria have had a very good relationship since the great era of the Russian Empire. Our soldiers helped Bulgaria to achieve independence from the Ottoman Empire, and the Soviet Union kept out friendship. So it's a centuries-old tradition. But by the way, some Russians who know history not so good still think that Bulgaria was a part of the Soviet Union like Ukraine or Moldavia. Secondly, modern Russian authorities have no claims to Bulgaria. Consequently, Russian mass media don't tell lies and stories about this country. Maybe you know that ordinary Russians are under massive attack of state propaganda, and public opinion is very often a result of brainwashing. Fortunately, our TV keeps silence about Bulgaria. Thirdly, there are narrow-minded Russians who don't know anything about Bulgaria. Of course, they can't tell something bad and disgusting about this country. Some of them have heard that Bulgaria is a warm country with a mild climate. But these Russians can hardly answer where Bulgaria is located. Shortly, if you are Bulgarian, you can visit our country without any fear. We don't hurt you. From Russia with love.